Disorders of the circulatory system include things like atherosclerosis, heart attack, cardiac arrest, strokes, and aneurysms. Atherosclerosis is defined as a fatty buildup inside the arteries. This causes the arteries to become hard, and it often causes high blood pressure or hypertension. Arteries can rupture and blood clots can form. When this happens, these blood clots can either obstruct the flow of blood to areas of your body, or they can cause you to die from blood loss. So there are two examples of arteries that contain atherosclerosis. Angina is defined as chest pain due to poor blood circulation to the heart. So there's something wrong with the way blood is going to the heart, and it's an early warning sign that you need to get to the hospital because your heart could be getting some damage. Not enough oxygen to the heart causes angina. What is a heart attack? A heart attack is caused by the blockage of coronary arteries. If you see the flashing in the side, that blood clot is causing damage to the heart around it. So that's that bluey purpley area. That's indicating that that area is not getting blood, and that an oxygen in that part of the heart is starting to die. This reduces the blood flow to the heart. When the heart doesn't get oxygen, the heart dies. Heart attacks can be caused by a number of things, including high cholesterol or a diet high in cholesterol, as well as smoking. So in the first caption, she's warning the vampire not to eat her blood because she has high cholesterol, so he could get atherosclerosis and possibly heart attack. As well, the guy is smoking. So what is a heart attack? A heart attack is either could be caused by complete stoppage of blood to the heart. This is called a heart attack or cardiac arrest, which it means that you don't find a pulse when you try to find the pulse of the person. Or you could just have a mild heart attack and it reduces the function of your heart, but your heart stops beating and you don't die. What is a stroke? A stroke is also known as a CVA, or a cerebrovascular accident. It occurs when a blood clot that originated in another part of the body lodges or gets blocked in a blood vessel in the brain. Also, a stroke can be caused if a blood vessel breaks or ruptures. The problem with strokes are that you only have a very short time to get help. After 4 minutes, your brain can become significantly damaged. The results of a stroke can be death and mental or physical problems. What are the symptoms of a stroke? This includes weakness on one side, trouble speaking, paralysis on one side, unequal pupils, facial problems, facial muscles weakening, swallowing problems, and drooling. What is an embolus? An embolus is a blood clot that dislodges and later gets stuck in another vessel. So here you have a blood clot in your vein. It's getting stuck in this valve, and then a part of it's breaking off and moving to another area. When this embolus, or this blood clot, lodges in another vessel, it's called an embolism. What is an aneurysm? An aneurysm is when the wall of your artery becomes weak and it starts to balloon out. What's the problem with aneurysms? Aneurysms are caused by a weak spot in the artery. It can cause a bulge in your artery wall. This bulging, if it's in the brain, can cause brain damage, and it can also rupture, causing you to bleed out. And if you can't stop the bleeding, then it may result in death.